Good morning, children. I am Aarti here to explain the lesson Wonderful Waste. So, let us move to the story, children. Before moving to the story, I wish to ask you a few questions. What type of stories do you like? Where do you throw the waste? Can waste be made into useful things? Yes. All of you like stories, no? Stories with good morals. Everyone likes to hear stories or to read stories. And where do you throw the waste? Yes, all of you know that waste is thrown into dustbin. All throw the waste into the dustbin. And for the last question, can waste be made into useful things? Yes, of course. Waste can be made into useful things. So we throw many waste things into dustbin, but those waste things can be made into useful things. Observe these pictures, children. Can you recognize what are these? All these are waste materials which we throw into the dustbin. It has been changed into useful things. For example, we can make many things out of newspapers, newspaper baskets like pots and those things which you see in the first picture. Can you observe the second picture? Can you recognize what are those? It is waste glass bottles. You can change those glass bottles by doing some wonderful painting on it. And the last one you see, those all are cool drinks bottles which have been changed into beautiful pen stands. So all these products we throw them into the dustbin, but these have been changed. All these waste products we throw them into the dustbin, but these have been changed into these beautiful items. So you must not throw all the waste into the dustbin. You have to think of something which could be made useful out of it. So this lesson is one such story of how a waste material, a waste which is going to be thrown into a dustbin is changed into a wonderful thing, wonderful product, a wonderful dish, something like that. This is a small story. Okay, now shall we move into the story, children? Wonderful waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes. So, what happened here? A Maharaja means a king. All of you know that Maharaja means a king. So, he had arranged a grand dinner, a feast, a big feast in his palace, and he invited many people for the feast. So the dinner, he thought the dinner should be very marvelous and with lot of dishes for them to enjoy. So before that, in the afternoon, late afternoon, that is before the dinner timing, he went into the kitchen to survey. Survey means to just to inspect the dishes, to have a close look to the dishes which have been prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." So, what happened when the king entered the kitchen? He came to notice that there were a basket of vegetable scraps. Scraps means a small bit of vegetables or some vegetables which have been which are not fresh vegetables, like those vegetable scraps were kept in a basket. It was full of waste. So he asked that cook, "What are you going to do with these vegetable scraps?" So the cook very smoothly he answered, these are all waste, king. We are going to throw them into the dustbin." You cannot waste all these bits of pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. When hearing this, the king became angry. How can you waste so many bits of vegetables? You have to think of a way. Think of a way means you have to make an idea of doing some useful thing out of this vegetable scraps. He sternly and commanded sternly means strictly ordered. Sternly means strictly ordered and walked away from the kitchen. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. So, what happened? The cook, he didn't know, he got fixed. He was standing like that. He didn't know what to do at all. The king had strictly ordered him that he have to do something out of that vegetable scrap. So he was thinking, he was standing there, he was staring means he was going on looking at that vegetable scraps, and he was thinking for a long time what to do with these vegetable scraps. When he was thinking, suddenly an idea came into his mind. Suddenly an idea flashed into his. Flash means suddenly it came to his mind. When he was thinking, an idea came to his mind. He took all the vegetable scraps, he cleaned them, he washed them nicely, and he cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. So, what happened? He took all those vegetable scraps, he cut them into long strips, long pieces. He cut them into long pieces. And he took a big pot, kept it on the fire, and he started cooking those cut vegetables. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. Children, ground. What is the meaning of ground? So you all know that ground is something is called a playground or something. But here it is not that. It is the past tense of grind. So grind's past tense is ground. So he grinded. He ground the ingredients. What all ingredients? Fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic. He made them into a paste. Then he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So he added this coconut chili garlic paste into the dish, and he added some oil also to the vegetables which have been put in the pot and cooking. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. So what happened? When he added the paste to it, a very beautiful smell, a tempting smell came to everyone started having that tempting smell. It was a very nice smell. Then he added some whipped curd. Whipped curd means he beat some curd. Whipped means beating. Beating or moving fastly. He beat the curd very fastly, and he poured that into the dish. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Then he added a few spoons of coconut oil and he decorated the dish with the curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. So, this wonderful dish was served to all the guests that evening. Everyone enjoyed the taste of the dish. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. So all the guests who had that dish, they were eager to know what was the name of the dish. They asked the cook, "What is the name of this dish? It is very delicious." They asked the cook. But the cook, he started thinking to keep a good name for the dish. He thought for some while. Then he decided to name the dish as Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. So what happened here, children? This avial, now it is a famous dish in Kerala. It is the traditional dish of Kerala. Whatever feast or dinner or celebration which is held in Kerala, this dish will be the traditional dish for the feast. So you have to know that this beautiful dish, this delicious dish, wonderful dish has come from the basket of waste. I hope, children, you understood the story. Can you say me the moral of the story? Yes, waste can be made useful. So, what do you learn from the story, children? Yes, you should not throw all the things waste. We should not think everything is waste and should not throw it into the dustbin. Before throwing it, we have to think of what could be made useful out of those waste materials. I hope you enjoyed this video, children. Let us see in the next video. Have a nice day.